So one of the types of selection tools that you can use is the select by color tool. So to access it, you need to go around under the fuzzy selection tool option right here. And over here, you can see that select by color is an option. So once you go around and select it, you can go around and click on any color that you want to select. And you can click and you can see that the color is selected over here. Click on this color and you can see that the entire color, irrespective of whether the objects belong together, is selected, as you can see right here. Like for example, I clicked on black and it selected out all of the color right here. Click here and it selects out all of the red. Click and drag out and it selects out a range of the color right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here and let's say for example press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, you can see that it creates a copy of this particular tube right here. Similarly, if I were to go around over here and then select out this black color right here, just like this, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, then you can bring this out right here. So over here, if I were to go around, you can see the threshold over here. So if I were to go around and click, then you can see that it selects out the entire color over here, just like this. And I can change around the threshold over here, just like this as well. And you can select it out by reds as well, just like this. So you can go around, choose around the red color, green or blue or alpha, or hue and saturation value or lightness and other values as you like right here as well. So depending on the value, that is how it will do the selection as well. So that is how you can go around and then work around with it. And you can see that it draws around mask as well if you were to select it. So that is how you can utilize the select by color tool effect inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.